Welcome to my channel. It's NoyTebs here. Again, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload dito sa What's in the Box. Let's get started! There you go. So again guys, today we are going to do a review of a BOYA BY-M1. And again guys, this BOYA microphone is the Lavalier microphone. And again, this is compatible on smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, and the audio recorder. So again, there's lots of features on this BOYA BY-M1. So again, today we are going to do an unboxing on this, and we're gonna try the audio quality of this microphone. Okay. So I got here the accessories, which is the connectors, the battery, and he has the manual here for smartphones, and then I got here another manual. Okay. Lapel microphone, blah blah blah. So it comes with the phone, widescreen, battery, quarter plug adapter, which is this one, and then the battery. Yes, there you go. So the battery is here, plus the quarter plug adapter. Then okay, so there you go. Now we're gonna unbox this. View, nice, it's beautiful. And then we're gonna unscrew this one because we need to add the battery, because it comes with the battery on this. There you go. I have to open this one. There. Okay. Put the battery in. Unscrew it. Okay, so again, they have here a option of the cameras on and off, and then so if you're gonna use a camera on this one here, you have to put it in the option for the camera, and then if you want a cell phone, bring it down to a smartphone. That's good. Okay. So now I am using a microphone right now, but I'm gonna unplug it, and then we're gonna try it, my audio, and then we'll see. Okay, turning off my microphone on my camera right now, and we're gonna figure out how the quality of the audio having no microphone, just only the built-in microphone from my camera. I'm using Canon M50, and we're gonna try this one to put it in, and it's a little bit longer wire. Oh no! To run it, so maybe I think this is about 6 feet long of the wire. Okay, so again, I'm gonna put this one in on my camera, and then we're gonna try it. Okay guys, so again I'm using now the microphone of this BOYA the BY-M1, and mic test, 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. The price of $26. This price is already good. It's a little bit cheaper microphone that you can use it, or you can buy it. So there you go, guys. So I'm done doing the review, and again, I'm still using my microphone. Again, thank you for watching. NoyTebs here.